Children, today we will learn about hot deserts. After watching this module, you will be able to describe the structure of the land in a desert. You will understand how sand dunes are formed. You will understand how oases are formed. And you will get to know about the adaptations of plants and animals found in the desert. So let's begin. A desert can have different types of landscapes. Some deserts, like the Thar, are vast stretches of sand, as you may see in the picture, but some are bare and rocky. Some deserts, like the Sahara, are both sandy and rocky. Children, the sand in a desert is blown about by the wind and forms hills called sand dunes. As you can see, these are sand dunes in formation. At some places, groundwater may come out to the surface to form a pool. Trees and bushes can grow in these places. Such a spot of greenery in a desert is called an oasis. Now let's learn about plants and animals which are found in the desert. You know, the scarcity of water in a desert makes it very hard for plants to grow. Short, thorny trees and bushes that do not need much water grow in deserts. Grasses are also found here. Children, desert plants have long roots to get water from deep under the ground. As you may see in the picture, some plants have stems and leaves that store water. The leaves of some, like cactus plants, have become like thorns so that they do not lose too much water from a large leaf area. So these are some of the adaptations of the plants found in desert. Now time for amazing fact. The Welwitschia plant of the Namib Desert in Africa takes up water from the fog that forms over the desert. It can live for more than 1,000 years. Isn't it amazing? Now, let's talk about the animals found in desert. Many spend the daytime in burrows underground or in the shade of rocks to escape the heat. They come out to feed at night. Kangaroo rat get all the water they need from their food. They do not need to drink at all. Isn't it very fascinating to know that they do not need to drink at all? The camel stores fat in its hump. The fat gives it energy when it does not get enough to eat. It can also go without water for a long time. When it finds water, it can drink its fill in just a few minutes. That's why camel is also called the ship of the desert due to these adaptations. Now time for another amazing fact. Two-humped Bactrian camels are found only in the temperate deserts of Asia. And children, you know that one-humped camels are found in the tropical hot deserts of Asia and Africa. So the second picture is of two-humped Bactrian and the first picture is of one-humped camel. Now let's have a quick recap. Some deserts are sandy, some are rocky, and some are both sandy and rocky. An oasis is a spot in desert which has water and plants. Short thorny plants are found in deserts. Desert animals such as camels can store food and water in their body. Children, I hope now this topic is clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss about the life of the people which live in desert. Thank you.